Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. Yeah, today we are shooting a vlog, or this week we're gonna shoot a vlog. So today's a Tuesday. It's around 10 o'clock. I have a 10:30 appointment with my plastic surgeon for follow-up of my surgery. So I do that on a monthly basis. So I was actually supposed to get injections for 6 months after the surgery, but he said we have to push it to 12 months. So I am gonna finish, I think, around November. So hectic, I know. So yeah, today I'm just gonna go there. After that, I have another parcel that came in at Botswana Post. I have to go collect it from AliExpress. And then I have to buy some stuff for my nail supplies. So yeah, my cousin is going to be joining me doing that. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We are officially on the road to 1K subscribers, okay? Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, you guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope I will be able to do my nails later on today, after running my errands, and then I'm gonna go for prayer at church tonight. So yeah, before that I also have a nail client. So I hope I'll be able to get everything through. I just literally DIY'd this hat to kind of match my outfit. But yeah, let's go. We've literally run out of surgical masks, so now I have to use this one. Hi, ciao. Anyway, I'm here at the hospital, so let's go. Hi guys, we're done at the hospital, so now we're gonna head to, we'll see, either Botswana Post first and then the nail supply store, or nail supply store and then Botswana Post, but we'll see. We'll really see. Hi guys, so we managed to get the package by Botswana Post, so I'm just gonna open it now and show you guys. But I already know it's brushes because the package feels like makeup brushes. So yeah, hold on, let me open it and show you guys. Oh my god, these look so pretty. Guys, these are my cousins, but I'm definitely gonna order myself. Eyebrow, and then yeah, I really like these. Even the color is nice. The rose gold is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but yeah, that's how it looks. It's very pretty. Margaret. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my nail supplies, and yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I just got home, so I thought I should show you guys what I got. So it's basically tips, glitter, and then a stripping tape in the color gold. That's just it. This is the silver glitter that I got. I have a gold one, a white one, and I think a black one. And then the stripping thing in the color gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can. And then just these tips, 500 of these. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna rest a bit, and then I'm going to attend to my client later on. Hi guys. It's the sun. Welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Wednesday. I'm literally just finished shooting the video that I was doing, Get Ready With Me, and a Q&A. I was installing this wig for the very first time, as well as answering you guys' questions from Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So yeah, we are at Airport Junction now. I'm trying to upload that video. I hope I will manage so that you guys can watch it. Obviously this vlog is gonna follow after, so if you didn't watch the video, please do go watch it and leave me a comment there. So yeah, after this we're gonna go to Steers for lunch and just have the Wake Wednesday because the girls don't have much money, but it's okay. We have to compromise. If you feel like restaurant food, you don't have money, you wait for the sale, you wait for the special.
Exactly.
It tastes the same.
It's the same.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I will show you guys my quick outfit of the day somewhere during the day. Right now my priority is uploading that video. Yeah, bye. Oh, we're with Margaret.
The muds.
She bleached her hair.
We got blood.
She's blonde now, baby girl.
Say 1, 2, I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dance and jive.
Guys, we didn't manage to upload the video because the network is failing us. There's no internet in Airport Junction, which is the fastest internet that I know. There was on a hotspot, like I once mentioned in one of my videos. Steers says they don't have Wi-Fi, so we literally just got food and came back to Dry's house. We're just gonna eat, so I guess the video is gonna be up tomorrow, but I did promise people that the video is gonna be up today. But I can't keep up to my promise because I'm failing to find good Wi-Fi. At home, the Wi-Fi is super slow. I could never even bank on that one unless I upload my video like overnight when everybody else is sleeping. So I don't have any other choice but to upload tomorrow. So now we're just gonna eat, chill, and yeah. So this is the chicken, this is the rib, looks yummy. That's the beef, those are the fries that are already eaten. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just arrived at home. It's actually very late, so from Slade by Carrie's house we went for home sale, my cousin and I. So yeah, we just got home. It's later on in the evening. I actually didn't manage to upload the video like I did say. It's on like 94%. It's stuck there. It's been on 94% for like an hour now. I don't know what's going on, but I hope that I'll be able to upload the video because I was supposed to have been live today. It's already late, but I really hope I will manage. So these are the wipes that I'm gonna use. These are the charcoal wipes. Yeah, from Clicks. It's the Clicks brand. And then I'm just gonna wash my face and apply oil, Vaseline, then go to sleep. That's it. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna get up to tomorrow, but I definitely have to do my nails tomorrow. I also have to do my mom's nails, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. I know I didn't show you guys my outfit of the day like I actually planned because I really forgot. And now the lighting, well, in my room it's quite okay, but like full body it wouldn't be okay. So I'm sorry about that, but I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, good night. I just want
I'm being tempted.
Hmm?
Because I'm being tempted to go somewhere else. I know
my desire is to know you deeper. I know how I feel too. I'm desperate for a touch. Oh, baby. Jesus, you know me anything, more than anything that you can do. I just want you. I just want you. I'm sorry when I just go through the motions. I'm sorry when I just sing another song. Take me back to where we started. I open up my heart to you. I'm sorry. Bring it up to where we started. I open up my heart to you. I'm caught up in your presence. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never want to live. Oh, I'm not here for blessings. Oh no, oh Jesus, you don't know me anything, more than anything that you can do. I just want you. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just want you. Nothing else. Alright, let me speak to my people, okay? Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Saturday and I'm with my cousin Mike. He's just rehearsing because he's gonna play the songs tomorrow at church. So yeah, I was just getting my face done because we're going to a drive-by party. He's taking me. So yeah, whilst we were in Nude, it's actually a birthday celebration, but it's a drive-through because COVID. So yeah, I'm done with my face. I just wanted to do something very light. So I'm done with my face, then I'm gonna do my hair, just spray a little bit of water, and then we're gonna be out. So yeah. So yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna spray this lily pad. Yeah, we're out. Hi guys, so we just arrived by the drive-through party, but I don't think they've started yet. So we're just gonna sit in the car for a little bit and then I'm gonna go in. I think the photographer is looking for like a good place where there's excellent lighting. So I can't even wait to see my pictures. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go in a little bit. Seriously.
It's for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어제 나는 잊어버려. 우린 함께야. 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여. Would you like to swim the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere you are.
Creative the COVID. Guys, just like that, the party's over. We got the food, it looks amazing. The birthday lady was looking pretty. So yeah, imagine we're going back home. Nahan. As I was saying, party's over. Party's over, we're done. We took pictures. I hope they look lovely. Yeah, I believe the photographers did the things that was supposed to be done, okay? That was supposed to be done. So that was quite hey, love. Anyway, we got the food. I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna eat on the way because
Just look at the food.
if you look at the food, you won't know what I have to eat before I get home, okay? I will eat something. We'll cook. But yeah, looks delicious. And it's my favorite piece of chicken.
And Charmaine.
Yeah. So, let me show you guys quickly. How cute. Thank you for driving by and opening side, darling. Imagine all this. All of this. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Tuesday. I last saw you guys on Saturday when I was going for the drive-through party. So sorry about the noise, guys. People keep disturbing me. So yeah, today's a Tuesday. My cousin and I are gonna go to the mall. We're mostly gonna look for toiletry, and then yeah, I just thought I should take you guys with. Yeah, and then later on we're just gonna go for prayer, but I'm obviously not gonna vlog that because yeah, I'm not gonna vlog that. So yeah, let's go to the mall and have some fun.
You are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere you are.
Guys, we've got all these empty bottles. So I know the Body Shop says you should bring a bottle. I think they give you like 20 pula off your purchase. I believe it's 20 pula. I will correct after finding out. So yeah, that's where we're headed now. There's so many bottles here. Yeah. Thank you. Chocopa the family treat here 8 pieces.
8 pieces.
Emma. Kopa tsenye dizinga wensi di pop celebegar. Okay, that's fine.
How many pieces?
8.
8.
How much are drinking kante milo? Coke. Emma, that's it. Ice cream eating them. What ice cream? Copa soft toilets are true. Emma. 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 Thank you. Emma. Hi guys, so we are done for the day. We are at Mamsi's house, so yeah, I'm gonna close the vlog off here because it has to be up tomorrow. So I just thought I should say bye you guys. I'm just gonna add a small snippet of what we got today just after this, and then as for the clothes, I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm gonna have a dedicated video for that, for like my winter collection or my winter clothing, whatever, and how to style them. Very soon I'm gonna post that, so please do subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notification bell, okay, so that you know when I posted that video, so that you can watch it. And then yeah, if you liked this video, please do click on the like button and do leave me a comment. I really like interacting with you guys, so yeah, thank you once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.